Hey, to connect Pendrive into your Redmi Note 13 Pro, first of all, you will have to go into the settings, scroll down until you find additional settings, move into the developer options, and from here you have to enable the USB debugging. So turn it on, then click here that you are aware of possible risks. So click on this small dot, and after a few seconds click OK in the right bottom corner. Next, you have to just grab your pen drive and put it straight into the USB-C port. Now we have to wait for the notification that will appear at the top, just like this. So now we can open it, and here we can find information about the USB drive. So click here, and as you can see now we've got access into every function that it's actually, to every file that is actually on this pen drive. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.